G'day guys, how are you going today? And welcome to the gardening adventure. Might make a start so we can get going. So we can hopefully see all the gardens. So before we get started, we just want to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land, the Malakiri people, and also pay respects to past, present and emerging elders. My name's Grant, for those of you that don't know me. I'll just tell you a little quick bit about what we do here at Misty Mountain Homestead, and then we'll organise what's happening with the cars and we'll go from there. So we run fortnightly workshops. Most people here do come to the workshops. They're when school is on, so not on the school holidays. But normally the workshops, we walk around the garden and I just host the workshop. It's interactive, so people in the workshop actually sort of lead the workshop, and it's a trade of information and we're all there to help each other. I'm learning, everybody's learning, so it's all a bit of fun, and we always pick up a few recipes because someone has to make silver beets or zucchini or whatever. And it usually goes for 2 hours on a Saturday, and then we have some tea and cake and you know, talk about stuff afterwards. So if that sounds like something that you're into, they'll start up again in February next year, so keep that in mind. So the point of today is to show everyone how gardening can look different for everyone. It doesn't matter your age or experience, or your ability to garden. It doesn't have to look a certain way. It can be small, it can be large, it can be whatever. And also, you know, there'll be a lot of inspiration and things to see and take ideas from areas that you might like to implement them in your garden. So, does that sound good to everyone?
Yeah.
Right, is everyone excited, ready to go see some gardens?
Yeah.
Righto. Now, the plan was to sort of carpool into Cygnet.
We'll drive. You drive? Yeah, I'll drive. Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Or I'll leave my car at work.
Righto, no worries. Let's get to it. We'll have a cup of tea and a cake, and for those people that have time to hang around or haven't been here before, we'll walk around this garden. You'll see some tomatoes. They're in the polytunnel. I've been sitting there waiting for them just to get a bit more red. So yeah, but you should. The polytunnel's going crazy. You know, it's some of the. I'm just excited, Sally. I love it. It's one of my favourite things to grow is tomatoes and chilies. So. I guess because we wait all year in Tassie to get them, you know, it's true. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if anybody's looking for me, you'll probably find me out in the garden. Alright, have a good one.